going on, everybody, and welcome back. So in this one we're going to be working on the Civic, and I got something pretty cool to show you guys. So in the past, Auxito hooked me up with some LEDs for the Accord, and those are still working great. Honestly, I love them. They're way better than the lights that were in there. They're nice. They're really good. So I really would stand behind their products, honestly. So far so good. Had a good experience with them, and yeah, also had good experience with the lights. So they sent me these to check out, these housings for the Civic. Look at that. It's a brand new housing, still wrapped in the plastic. So I'm pretty excited to throw these new lights on. The ones that are on there are obviously nasty, like they all are. And I've in the past restored them. However, this left one had some water in it. So at one point, the seal's probably busted. You can see some water collects in there. It doesn't look that bad, but the guy had painted them. Usually you gotta sand them and clear coat them. And I like to do 2K clear, and then it actually stays. But it's a lot of work, and I haven't gotten around to it for this car. And they offered to, send them over. So I was like, you know what, I'll try them out, and I'll let you guys know what I think. And they're definitely gonna look so much better than this. And like I said, the Auxito lights that I have in the Accord are great. So, and I got the interior lights for the truck and the front lights for the Tacoma, and they've all been working really good too. None of them are burned out yet, so I'll keep you guys posted, but everything's working good. So I can't wait to try these housings out. We'll see what the fitment looks like. I believe he still has stock fenders and stock bumper. I don't know if the bumper's been replaced, but we'll see how the fitment is and everything, and just how much better it looks. So I'm gonna get started. I think I gotta pull the bumper to get a fastener that's below the bumper. So I'll pop the hood, and I can yank the bumper cover off really quick. Maybe I'll put some bolts in the top for the license plate so that won't shake around anymore too. So anyway, yeah, that's what we're up to today. I'm just gonna get started doing that. Yeah, this guy got paint all over this thing. Look at all the paint everywhere. Yeah, no good. So we'll throw in these Auxito housings. So I got one installed. I'm stoked, guys. It looks so good already. It's like, wow. It's the nicest looking part of the car. It looks great. So based on comparison here, there's no question. I hate the amber look in there too. So this bumper comes off really easy, guys. All you got to do is take out these clips up here, get yourself one of these little panel poppers, and take out all these little clips here, pull the center out, and I got them all stacked up here. But just pull the center out and then pop the clip out, and super easy to do. And then over here you've got 110 that holds the light in, you got 2 10s on top, and you got 110 down in here. So once you get those 4 bolts out, it'll come out. And the hardest part of this job is getting the lights clipped in. You don't want to touch the bulbs with your fingers because you'll burn them out prematurely, so maybe wear gloves. And also the little latch system is kind of complicated, so I'll show you guys on the back of this one. Basically, the way these things work, these are easy, they just twist. But this thing right here, instead of latch system, you got to open this, put the light in, have this side pushing down on the flange of the light, and it has to fit in with these teeth here. So you got to align the light, stick it in, and then you got to push this latch down and lock it in to this little section here. There's like a little, I'll try to zoom and show you in here. There's like a little section in there that it locks into. So when you go in with this latch, it can pop out of the groove here, and that's how you get the light out. And then you're going to try to latch this with the light pushed in all the way in here. And that's the hardest part of these style of bulbs here. So Auxito said maybe in the future we could see some LEDs, which is what I really want to do to this thing. So that'll be cool. But for now, I'll just put the stock bulbs back in just so you guys can get a comparison. I'd like to turn the lights on and compare them while we got everything all hooked up here before I rip the other side apart. So I'm going to turn the lights on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here's just the stock DRL. Pretty dim over here, honestly. I think he needs a little help. I'm going to have to look at some bulbs for that. But yeah, definitely needs a little bit more light on that guy. But this guy's not really that bright either. He's kind of dim too, so that's just the way it is. I'll turn the headlights on. Alright guys, look at that. you know, not much is getting seen out of there, that's for sure. This guy is a whole lot brighter. May need to mess with the angle. It does have an adjustment. We'll see how the headlights are aimed. If it needs to be adjusted, I can do that. But yeah, overall, looks great. Can't wait to get some LEDs in there. It's gonna look even better. Wow, guys, they look really good, honestly. I'm excited. It almost looks out of place. They're so shiny and like so clear. It really takes the car to a different level, you know? Pretty nuts. Transformed it. I gotta clean up the tires and stuff. I still never cleaned the wheels and tires since I got them. I just treat this thing like a daily. Abusing it. I do have one amber bulb, and I also have a white bulb in the other turn signal, which I never knew. But yeah, those latches on those things are not the most fun, but I love how clear it is. You can see right into the bulb. I'm excited to get some LEDs in there and see how nice they look. But we'll have to get some switchbacks too. I think I want to keep these as a switchback. Do some white and amber. White that changes to amber when you hit the turn signal. But they look like they fit pretty good, guys. You could, just a little bit of room for tweaks with the thing, with the bolts, so you can fit them as nicely as you would like, as much time as you want to put into it. But overall, I'm really happy, and it came out nice. It really looks like a different car. That's nice. I can't wait to see how much better I see at night without the faded, foggy, old lenses. I just need that LED upgrade, and this thing will be ripping. I'm excited. So yeah, thanks a lot to Auxito. These housings are pretty good quality. Honestly, I can't tell the difference between them and the OE. So that's all you can ask for, really. Much easier than having to clear coat them and stuff. You know, for the 150 that they are. I'm sure I'll have maybe a coupon code or something like that. I'll ask Vivian about it, and we'll see what we can do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this little install video on these headlights. It's pretty easy. Just hang the bumper off the front, and you can do both of them. So thank you all for watching, and peace out. We'll see you in the next one.